Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by signing into the Google account linked to your business profile. Once logged in, open the profile dashboard and confirm name, address, and phone match your website and directory listings. Make sure to select video verification if available for faster processing. Next, prepare. Clear, well-lit shots of your storefront, interior, signage, equipment, and staff badges. While you gather media, enable device mic/camera permissions and set video resolution to at least 720p so Google reviewers can clearly. Once your setup is ready, record the verification video following Google's required sequence. Start outside showing the building and signage, then move inside to show workspaces, equipment, and product or service areas. Make sure you narrate. Say the business name, your name, role, address, and date so reviewers understand context. Use steady camera movement and natural light. If possible, show a recent invoice or order with matching address. After recording, review the clip, trim unnecessary footage, and save as MP4 or MOV for upload. You now upload the prepared video through the verification option in the business profile dashboard and attach any supporting documents requested, such as a utility bill or business license. Once submitted, monitor the status. Make sure to check email and the dashboard for reviewer notes. If the video is approved, your profile will be verified. If rejected, don't panic. Carefully read feedback, then reshoot focusing on the complained about area. Add clearer signage or an employee badge and resubmit. One tip, record with a second device as backup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.